If you are wondering if Quick Share on Google Pixel 11 works with AirDrop on iPhone, then the answer is yes. And I have to be completely honest with you. I actually recorded the same video just now, but it didn't work, and now it started working. I'm not sure why, what happened that now it works, but previously I have had an issue where I couldn't actually find iPhone over here, even though I have set up everything properly, and after locking my phone and unlocking it, it started working. So maybe that was the solution. I'm not sure why, but maybe that was actually the solution. Nevertheless, as you can see now, I do have the iPhone selected. And of course, in order to make it work, you need to make sure that the AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes on your iPhone. I also set up the visibility of QuickShare on my Google Pixel 11 to be visible to everyone for 10 minutes as well, although I'm actually sending files, not receiving them, so I don't think that really matters that much. But still, of course, you can copy my setting. And there we go. And now I can actually detect iPhone without any issues whatsoever. So I can select iPhone, and now I can accept the file. And there we go. I actually received the file over here. I believe it's actually, well, it should be one of these two, but still, I actually sent the file and I received it. So yeah, it does work, but at first, when you try to use it for the first time, you might encounter some issues. And I hope you don't. Maybe I was just unlucky. But if you do, you can try to lock your phone and unlock it, and you can try to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and turn it back on. And you can, of course, change the visibility setting on your Google Pixel 11 in QuickShare. And also, once again, make sure that the AirDrop on iPhone is set to everyone for 10 minutes. Leave a like and subscribe.